Hi everyone, I'm Sheila Anderson and I'm going to sing Feeling Good by Pussycat Dolls. Bird flying high, you know how I feel. Soaring in the sky, you know how I feel. The breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. Ooh, it's a new dawn and a new day and a new life for me. And I'm feeling good, so good, yeah. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. Blossom on the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn and a new day and a new life for me. Yeah, and I'm feeling good, so good, so good. Yeah. Dragonfly up in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies are having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace when day is done, that's what I mean. And this old world is a new world, and the whole world for me. For me. Stars where you shine, you know how I feel. Sense of pie, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn and a new day and a new life for me. And I'm feeling, oh, oh, ah, I'm feeling good. You know how I feel. You know how I feel. You, you know how I feel. Feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Feeling good. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me.